Hey, Parker McCumber here. I've got my buddy Hugo. We're about to go do a flagpole install for a National Guard veteran with over 20 years of military service. He has been serving with the 1st Battalion 145th Field Artillery Regiment here out of Spanish Fork, Utah. And earlier this year, we donated a flagpole kit to a U.S. Field Artillery Association raffle, and he won the flagpole kit in that raffle. So we dig a hole. We recommend at least 18 inches wide by 18 inches deep. We're gonna do about 20 inches deep for this one with some pea gravel at the bottom for drainage.
Right there, isn't there? So I'm grabbing the ground sleeve out of the flagpole. This is a ground sleeve.
Now that we've got our hole dug, we're gonna go ahead and set the PVC sleeve in the hole. We're gonna use pea gravel in the foundation to allow drainage. So the way that I'm doing this install right now, we're adding the fast setting concrete into the hole. We're making sure that the sleeve remains level as we do this. And then we're adding water, mixing it in the hole, re-leveling the PVC sleeve as we go, just to make sure that it doesn't get out of control. Slide this bad boy out. There's a little etch, a little groove marked in it.
Okay, and that goes...
That's where the stainless pin, or stainless steel retaining pin, lines up with the hole.
All together.
All together.
Looks good.
So the flag that we're installing right now on this flagpole is our premium 3x5 sewn and embroidered nylon flag. So on our telescoping flagpole kits, we have set screw and bushing. They come with pre-drilled holes that prevents your flags from sliding and bunching up. So we just finished up this install here for Sergeant First Class Jared McLaughlin. He won this flagpole kit at a raffle with the United States Field Artillery Association's Artillery Barrage here in Utah. Jared, tell us a little bit about your service.
I've served all over the United States since 1998. Been in the Field Artillery, supported maneuver, deployed a couple of times. It's been a wild ride. 26 years now. It's a pleasure to have you here, sir.
It's been an absolute pleasure getting this flagpole installed for you. Thanks for having us.
I appreciate you just as much.